If you want to see your library on the Epic Games website, I'll walk you through it step by step in a quick and easy way. This is really useful if you want to check which games you own, review free games you've claimed, or simply confirm what's already linked to your Epic account. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're there, make sure you sign into the correct account because your library information is tied to the account you use to log in. If you have more than one Epic account, this is the step where you want to double check that you're using the right one. After you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the account options. This menu gives you access to several account-related settings and pages, including the section you need to view your library information. From the menu, click on Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account page, where you can manage different parts of your profile, purchase history, and connected information. Once you're on the account page, look at the left-hand menu. In the left menu, click on Transactions. This is the section that shows your account activity, including games you've purchased and free games you've added to your library over time. It's basically the place where you can view the list of titles associated with your Epic account on the website. If you're trying to confirm whether a game was redeemed successfully or you just want to check your owned titles, this transactions page is the key area to use. Scroll through the list and review the entries carefully. You should see the games tied to your account along with the relevant transaction details. And that's it. That's how you see your library on the Epic Games website. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.